morning. Good morning, my morning beasts that are here 6 a.m. on point. So I'm talking about my real gladiators. Show yourselves. Show yourselves. Who are the four people? Who are the four people that joined within a minute? I want to know. Who is it? Oops, sorry. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I was gonna do something. What's up, Emmanuel from Ghana? Hello, hello, welcome. I've never seen you guys. I've never seen you before, Manuel and Maliehe and Paka. And who else not trying to trade today? What's up, Subod Pokrel? What's up, Khalid? It's not going so good, bro. We're down quite a few percent, but this week, bro, there was one winning trade for 5R, and I was in it and we got break even. And then there was one trade yesterday as well, but I already had lost 3, so I had to stop trading. That's quite unfortunate. But today's NFP, and I love trading on NFP day, so let's hope I can get my setup, because if I can get my setup, it's a guaranteed win on NFP day. It's a shame I won't be able to show it because I'll be at work, but yeah.
I don't get.
What the hell? Why is it not showing NFP on my thing? On my calendar? I think I have 2. Oh my god, I think I have so many. So many tabs open, man. What is this? Oh, don't. No, no. Give me a second. Give me a second. Let me just sort everything out. Okay. There was a big argument in my Discord yesterday. Big argument, so we're gonna talk about that a little bit. It's a big argument. While you guys read that, I'm gonna read this. Don't know why it did. What's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning. We got enough people here. Let's start the day right. Yeah, let's start the day right. Why 4 minutes? Why not 5 minutes? First time here, welcome, Potato Head. Yes, I trade order blocks, we trade SMC, smart money, concept, and welcome because you are in. You just joined the best stream, my friend. You will find out why soon. Just wait until people join in, because we're gonna have a good time. But first we're gonna start the morning like we always do with a motivational video. Get the head in the game, get the mind in the game. So
you are not where you're supposed
that was loud.
To be because of you. It's all you.
You tell yourself lies, reasons. I'm too tired. I need to rest. I'm too hungry. I'm too full. Something else is more important. I don't have time. Lies, 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 lies. People ask where discipline comes from. I tell them it comes from within. But there's a deeper level. Discipline comes from the truth, the framework of discipline. And if you lie to yourself, you will not find discipline. The truth is that you know. You know you could do more. You know you could be more. That's what's driving you crazy. All your excuses are lies. The truth will set you free. The truth delivers discipline. But the truth is, you have time. You have the skill. You have the knowledge and the willpower and the discipline to get it done. Don't really want to work out? I work out. Don't really want to hammer on a project? I hammer on a project. Don't really want to get up and get out of bed? I get up and get out of bed. Don't give in to the immediate gratification that is whispering in your ear. Shut that down. Do not listen. Instead, go through the motions. Lift the weights. Sprint the hill. Work on the projects. Get out of bed.
Anybody can do the they want to do when they feel like doing. Anybody could show up to work and give 100% when they're in the mood to do so. But what happens on the days that you don't feel like killing? What happens on the days you don't feel like going to the gym? What happens on the days that you don't feel like getting out of bed? Because those are the fucking days that are going to define where you end up in your life. Nobody wakes up in the morning every day of their life fired up. The reason I'm successful is because I execute whether I have the fucking fire or whether I don't have the fucking fire. And that's discipline. That's discipline to do the shit that you don't want to do because you know it needs to be fucking done.
Do something away from the normality of what you've been doing. Why not try it, man? Shock the system. Get up at 4 in the morning one day, just one day, and go for a fucking run. Commit to one day and see how you feel as you're jogging it back in around 5 or something, as your neighbors are still asleep. Well, your day's already provided something for you. Mentally, you'll feel like, wow, man, that was fucking alive. When everybody else says, no, this is not comfortable, we shouldn't do this, you say, yes, motherfucker, I'm going to introduce myself to it.
When we talk about regret, I can 1,000% guarantee you that how you feel about your life at the end of your time here is going to come down to your ability to cultivate discipline. It's going to come down to you developing the ability to do the things that you don't feel like doing because you know that it's the right thing to fucking do.
Because we are what we repeatedly do every day. Therefore, excellence is not an accident, but a habit. It's habitual. It's in us every single day. The people that are top movie stars over and over and over again, that's not lucky. They train it to win it, to earn it, over and over again.
You gotta do your best work when you're least motivated. So those days you don't want to do it, guess what you gotta do? You gotta suck it the f*** up and do it.
Nice. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, man, it's good, isn't it? It's part of my morning routine. It's part of the morning routine because somehow, I don't know how, right? But my morning routine is actually ending up past 6, like up at half 5. Then I'm still having to do more here, and I'm like, what the hell's going on? You know? Because I was doing it. And I've been so busy, guys. I finish work at 7:30. I have to drive to the gym. That's like half an hour drive. Then I go to the gym. Then I come back home. I eat. I sleep because I'm dead. Tired, bro. Like crazy, man. I didn't even have time to like do most of the things I had to do. Just give me a second because there's some interesting content. In the meantime, why don't you guys read some of this? You know, because there was a little argument on our Discord. Are you doing a funded account, sir? No need to call me sir, bro. Do I look like a sir to you? Like, thank you for being polite, but come on, bro. You don't need to call me sir. You can call me mate. You can call me bro. You can call me aunt. Can call me anything. Just, you know, sir is a bit too much. Yes, I'm doing a funded account for the challenge. You have a motivation playlist. Well, man, send it on the send it to me on Discord, and tomorrow, well, not tomorrow, Monday we'll watch it. Check out APDN tomorrow, guys. Load the fuck up. You better buy at open APD. What the hell's APDN? My name is Anthony. Anthony. But you can call me Bullet. Some people call me Bullet. You can call me, man, you can call me whatever you want, you know. It's cool. It's cool. I'm not up, Jay. We're not up, man. This week was not the best. Not the best, we say. But it's okay. Today's NFP. You know. It's alright. Yeah, I'm checking Discord, like I'm just telling you guys to read this because I need to read the rest. I haven't read the rest. Just read that while I'm writing something up. Okay, just read that. I'll scroll it down because probably read most of that, you know. There's like an argument yesterday on the Discord. I have a solution for that, by the way. I have a solution to solve this problem. Not really a problem, but to solve this argument once and for all. August 5, yeah, today. Right. Things I'm grateful for. guys probably read this part, right? Okay, cool. You can call me Tony, yeah. Okay, I'll check, Jastly. You shared it on here. Okay, let's have a look at this, right? I want to read this. If you guys want to read it, you can join the Discord as well. This is quite interesting. It's quite an interesting fight here. Oh my god. Wait. wait. It is so funny. I'm sorry, like. Popcorn side. Oh my god. Man, were you guys laughing when you were reading this? Because this is so funny, bro. Oh my god. It's like two kids having a fucking fight in the playground, man. It's so funny. Oh my god. And how long did you guys fight for? Is Jack or Bulldog here on the stream now? Oh my god, man. The fuck is going on here, bro? hell is going on here? I'm just like, I was in sleep. I was fast asleep, bro. I went to bed at 10 to 9. I was fast asleep. Like, I didn't know this was happening. And David, did you see this? Bro, did you see that? Have you read the look? How long is this, bro? Because I'm scrolling down and this is not moving. Man. Like, how long is this? I need to get ready for work. Like, what the fuck? How long is this? Man, are you on the Discord, David, bro? Like, these guys had an argument. These two guys had a massive argument, yeah, and I'm just here trying to read everything and consume all this wonderful content, you know, because it's not something I expected to come out of nowhere. Oh my god, good morning, Mad Nudge, good morning. What is going on? Oh my god, okay, it's too much. You took probably the girls of what, 12 year olds? Oh, Louis, straight up just. Resorted to your mom. It went on until 1 a.m. Like, you're joking. Nah, you're joking. You're joking. Went on to 1 a.m. They just kept this. Oh my god, man. I love the fact that Lewis just butted in there. Lewis is like, you spit an hour talking bullshit to each other. Oh man. Go on, we'll find out. Oh man, I can't deal with this. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man, I see that. Oh man. Now everyone of course said their 2 cents, you know. Just the way it made that sentence should listen to the name, she can take advice and so forth. Well, what do I make out of this? Now, I have proposition, right? I have a proposition to both of these guys, Jack and Bulldog. Yeah, I understand, you know, testosterone, egos, emotions, losses, winners, confidence, lack of confidence, fear, depression, happiness, euphoria, you name it, you know. So all of those comments, all of those arguments were built up upon that. On one side you have a man who lost his challenge, unfortunately had a bad day, not in best of state of mind, we can all agree on that. On the other side we have someone who is Jack. Yeah, we don't know much about Jack. I can't lie to you, I don't know much about Jack. Like Bulldog said, you know, show me your MT4, show me if your results really are real. Bulldog was man enough to tell us, you know, he failed his challenge. He was man enough to tell us he failed, he made mistake, you know, he failed, whatever. He was man enough to show us, you know. Jack, I don't know, I never seen any sign of Jack in terms of trading much, in terms of results and stuff like that. He keeps that to himself, which is also fine, it's not a problem at all. But what I'm trying to say is the best way to solve this issue, in my opinion, right, is for you guys to battle it out next week. You know what I'm saying? Now, apparently Jack has his own account, I believe. He said, or he's funded, either he's funded or he has his own account. That's cool. That's fine. Now, I have a suggestion for both of you. Since one of you is like, you can take advice from me, you should take advice from me. The other one's like, I don't want to take advice from you because you ain't shit. The other one's like, I am shit. In a good way, you know what I mean? Regardless of whose mom, who's fucking, and whose girlfriend I want to fuck, or they want to fuck, or whatever, yeah. One of you, or both of you have this ego that you're good traders or whatever, yeah, or that you're better than each other, okay? So my suggestion to you both is, well, I already know one of you is gonna say, nah, I don't need to prove anything to this guy. Well, if your egos are as big as the ones you've showed us on this Discord channel last night, right? Let's have a challenge then between both of you. I want you both to open a demo on Monday or this weekend, but starts on Monday, yeah? Both of you to start a demo. First one, well, not first one, but the one who has the most profit by the end of the week has bragging rights. Has bragging rights. Tell you what, if for example Jack wins, mate, he's got bragging rights on the Discord. Y'all can't say shit to Jack. If Bulldog wins, y'all can't say shit to Bulldog, because you know why? Bulldog can always come back and say, bitch, last guy that called me out, yeah, and said shit and tried to give me advice on Discord, mate, I flopped him. I knocked him out on the demo challenge, bro. Yeah, I knocked him out. Yeah, that's bragging rights on the Discord. You want to have bragging rights on the Discord, you gotta earn it, and I don't see a better way for you. You know, you got your egos up, you got your testosterone up there, yeah? You all arguing each other on the Discord or a positive community, which by the way is fine. You can argue, it's no problem. You can say whatever you want on my Discord. It's okay, you know? But if this was a street fight, let's be real, you say this to each other on the street, you guys are gonna fight it out. Let's be real, unless you're a bunch of pussies, you know guys are gonna fight it out. So, since we're not gonna do that, we're not gonna resort to violence, yeah? Let's do it, the trading challenge, because it's related, and we can call it a friendly competition, which is not friendly at all. But of course, you have to risk manage. So I will check your trades. You have to show the results. You have to show the full metrics, slot size, and you have to take screenshots of every trade, and you have to put it in a Notion or whatever. Yeah. Those are the rules. You can't risk any more than 1% per trade. Yeah, that's the first rule. The second rule is you have to take screenshots of all the trades. Yeah, because I will check live. Yeah, and you have to do, like I said, it's ftmo demo, all of them ftmo demo. Doesn't really matter which side. Actually, we should do a size, shouldn't we? Because it's like same playing field. Okay, 100k ftmo demo. All right, 100k ftmo demo. You can trade whatever pair you want, and you know, and we want to see them. We're gonna see the metrics clearly. Now, neither of them are probably in this chat right now, because these two motherfuckers decided to argue themselves to 1 a.m. yeah, instead of going to bed early so they can smash the charts early. Yeah, now where are they? Now what? Now they've set themselves behind for that, just because of that silly argument, right? Now, instead of reflecting, you know, instead of journaling their trades last night, this is what they were doing. This is what they were doing, arguing, and now they went to bed late. You know, Jack is thinking about, oh my god, Bulldog wants to fuck my girlfriend and my mom, blah blah blah. Bulldog is like, this Jack don't know shit. Who is he think he is, trying to give me advice, blah blah blah. And then they all went to bed late. And now what? They're not even up at 6 a.m. to join the thing. That's why we have 23 viewers instead of 50 this morning. My god, not only did he make everybody sleep late, you know, not only did they make themselves sleep late, they made everyone sleep late. Unbelievable. A disruption to my work, my community, you know. My whole community went to bed late last night, clearly, you know. Now, I'm gonna post in the Discord because these guys are just, you know, trading challenge, trading. What should we call it? Best name. Come on, guys, think of a best name. Trading what? Battle of the traders. Come on, someone can come up with something good. Right. Rules. 100k demo on ftmo. 1 sec, Dev. I'll check your trade. Just give me a sec, bro. Screenshot of every trade. Must show metrics. Show complete metrics. Battle of Ego. Must show complete metrics results after on. Okay, on Friday, 6 p.m. 6 p.m. Yeah. Must show complete Friday. Send me screenshots by then. What was the other rules? I like that. Traders Combat Challenge. Traders Combat Challenge. Combat Challenge. Jack versus Forex Bulldog. Date. What day is Monday? 8th. 8th till 12th. Screenshot of every trade. Must show max risk 1% per trade. If you lose more than 1% in a trade, I'll give it like 1.1, you know, just because, you know, sometimes you lose a trade and then you put 1% in, you know what I mean? You're out. Failed. You lost. I will give a bit of room for that. Screenshots of every trade. Must show complete metric results by Friday 6 p.m. and send me the screenshots by then. What else? Good morning, Skrilla. Good morning, Med. Good morning, Capek Shasin. You missed out the most epic content. Must show complete metrics. What else, guys? Let them risk whatever per trade. Just my opinion, as long as they stay within. I don't know, man. You think? Should I let them risk whatever? Because you know what? You're right. You know what? I think you're right. Standard FTMO trading rules. Screenshots of every trade. Must show complete metrics results by Friday 6 p.m. and send me screenshots by then also. End time 6 p.m. Friday GM UK time. Must show metric results and send me screenshots by then. Okay. Whoever wins gets bragging rights on Discord channel and YouTube. Whoever pushes out clearly has a mouth too big. Boom. Traders Combat Challenge. Fighters are Jack versus Forex Bulldog. Date 8th to 12th. 100k demo on FTMO rules. Standard FTMO 100k demo on FTMO rules. Standard FTMO trading rules. Screenshots of every trade. End time 6 p.m. Friday. You get it. Alright. Mouth too big and TP too small. Alright guys, alright. Everyone put a thumbs up, fire, yes, thumbs up, fire, let's go. We need to show that we've seen this, yeah, so that then when they wake up at fucking 10 a.m. still with their little hangover and their tears on their faces, yeah, that they're like, oh my god, shit, I can't back out from this, let's go. Click the emojis, come on. Click the emojis. Click the emojis, guys. Click the emojis. Come on, man. Let's see. Let's see. I have a feeling that one of these two will not want to do it. I have a very strong feeling that one of these two will not want to do it. How do I do that? Tag and pin to the top. Wait, let's create a hashtag. Hashtag. Don't have a freaking hashtag button. Hashtag Traders Combat Challenge. Thread name. They're gonna wake up and they're gonna be like, what the fuck is this? I wonder what happened in this stream. Well, pin is on the top near search. Okay, thank you. Yeah, but how do I make it a pin, man? Oh, here we go. I should probably put this in announcements as well. Actually, that's fine. Don't really post there anyway. Okay, let's check out Dev's trade. Oh, Dev, thank you, my man. You put the time frame this time. Bro, I like the way you trade, you know. I actually admire the way you trade. I really do. It's something I want to start looking into as well, because it will increase my knowledge of can you explain to me why you chose this order block here, wick, this wick? Can you explain to me why you chose this one? I'm trying to think why you would choose that one, that wick here. Or is it because you chose this? Yeah, I'm trying to wonder why you would choose this one. Can you tell me why? Because I chose this one as well, like you, but I want to know why you chose this one. That's all. Do you, when you choose them as well, do you I'm trying to think why you chose that. So I'm trying to realize why. Oh yeah, I need to tag them. Good point. You see, of course they're offline. I wonder why they're offline, right? Yeah, Dev. Ah, look who's awake now at 6:46, Bulldog. 6:46. What time do you call this? What time do you call this, Forex Bulldog? Usually you're here, one of the first ones here. You wake up on time, you do a little morning routine, blah blah blah, getting ready for work. And now look what happened last night, yeah? It's okay, it's okay. Well, I don't know if you read what's on Discord, but we just want to know one thing. Do you accept the challenge? Do you accept the challenge? Can you put your money where your mouth is? You know, that's just... Oh, okay. I want to know if you accept the challenge. That's all I want. That's all I want to hear from you. I don't care. We're not here to judge your comments. You know, we're not here to judge your comments. We're not here to say anything. I just want to know, if you saw Jack in the street last night, would you have had a fight with him? Would you guys have went to it? Because if that's a yes, then you should accept the challenge. But if that's a no, then you know. So no, then you know. Come on, Forex Bulldog. Yes or no? Come on. Do you accept? Come on. No laughing emojis. We want to know. Everyone's excited to see it. Everyone is here buzzing for it. Now we want to know. Are you gonna be man enough to stand up to him, to that 6'4" tall man? Or are you gonna let him call you short like that? Oh, Bulldog, man, Bulldog, come on! I believe in you, man. I believe you can do it. I believe you can do it. I just need you to believe in yourself. I need you to believe in yourself. You can trade. The rule is ftmo rules, bro. It's ftmo rules. But wait, so that means you can trade the news. You can trade the news on demo. So if you want to trade the news, you can trade the news. It's fine. You know, it's ftmo rules. So, but it's demo rules. You know, you can trade the news. Come on, guys, big up Forex on the YouTube. Come on, so we can boost him up, boost his confidence. You know, he's a bit motivated, which is normal. You know. No, you don't have to trade 2 minutes after. No. Like I said, it's demo rules. On demo, you can trade the news, can't you? You can trade the news, so it's fine. I'm allowing you to trade the news, brother. I'm allowing you to trade the news. You know, it's only fair we allow him to trade his trading style. There's no accepted. He accepted, boys. He accepted. That's what I like to see. Fighter number 1 has accepted the challenge. Fighter number 1 has accepted the challenge. He has registered himself. He has come to the venue and he wrote his name down, his details, his next of kin, just in case he gets knocked out and we need to call someone to pick him up, you know, and take him to the hospital. He's already written down his details and he is ready. Fighter 1 has checked in. Has checked in and what, guys? Has checked in and what is it called, man? What did we used to call when we used to do a show? What should you ask him about something better than checked in? Something better than checked in. Fighter 1 has. My mind is just gone blank. Fighter 1 has, like, he's checked in, not just checked in. He's. Come on, guys, help me out. Whatever. Not entered the ring yet, bro. Not entered the ring. Okay, the other guy's still asleep. Now let's put. Guys. Man, I'm waiting. You guys are lucky, yeah, that OK and Jerome were not reading that live, because if they were, they would have taken the piss out of you both so hard. They would have fucking taken the piss out of you both. You guys are lucky. But I tell you what, if they were, we wait until I'm gonna message these guys and see what the hell, where they are. Okay, put the fucking picture of me yesterday, man. With a, look, have you seen his new name? He's probably in school still. Right. Where was I, guys? I need to have. Oh my god, there's an opportunity here for me. Here I am making all of this. This would have been a nice trade to take, you know. I used to have a strategy that was out into right there, but I don't trade that anymore. It's fine. Oh, I really dislike this liquidity. I don't know if I'm gonna take that. I wanted the choke to be closer, but this is quite far. I don't think I'm gonna take that. I'd rather wait for price to sweep this here. It'll be too risky for me to take this without it sweeping this. Way too risky. Anyway, where was Dev? Dev, I asked you a question, bro. If you can give me some advice. Dev, bro. I want to know why you chose this order block here, bro. I just want to know why you chose this wick specifically. That's all I want to know. Or I can try to figure it out, actually. Why did you choose this one? That's all I want to know. That's what I can't figure out. Can you explain to me why you chose? Yeah, but like they're not explaining to me why you chose this wick, bro. Like you just telling me to check it. Like why did you choose this wick? You said in Discord? First of all, who is Dev on YouTube? Because you have a different name on YouTube and look, you sent me this photo, bro. But you're not explaining to me why you chose. I'm not talking about the 1 minute, I'm talking about the 15. Like you had this marked out, right? This wick. I wanna know why you chose that wick specifically. That's all. And I'm not gonna take this. I'm gonna. You know what? This trade meets my criteria, but it just doesn't look great. So I took a loss like this yesterday. That looks exactly like this. I'm gonna have to split my risk, I think. Let's see. I don't know, man. I don't know if I want to take this trade, to be honest. I'd rather wait. Let's wait. If it sweeps this here, I have to make break. Okay. Don't fancy taking this trade, guys. No, it just doesn't look good. Not gonna take it. Or I'm gonna wait for. I'm on a drawdown. I want to take really good trades, so I'll wait for this OB and this one. Just gonna wait. I don't like the look of this. I've seen this kind of pattern many times and I've lost more times than. It's a flip zone. What's a flip zone? What is a flip zone? A flip zone is what? Oh, Jazzy and Dev the same. The challenge is on some drawdown, which I don't really want to calculate it. I haven't calculated it in my head, but we're in quite a bit of a drawdown. But if I'm honest, I haven't actually done any mistakes. There's only two. There was an opportunity yesterday, guys. Nobody on Discord actually caught this, but I didn't see it either. But the reason I didn't take it is because I had already lost 3, and you know, once I lose 3, I'm done. So this was an easy trade, man. 50-minute order block. This was the high. This was the low. Yeah, so we're in discount. Perfect. This 15-minute. Like I said, oh, this is a great example that I was trying to explain yesterday. I said once the chalk is made, I take order blocks like this, the extreme swing of like for example, this is a swing, 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 this is not really, you know, but you see this is a swing, this is the extreme candle, yeah, with imbalance, extreme candle. So essentially this broke the substructure, you know. So I do that once a 50-minute chalk is made, which was made. So now, you know, price, as you can see, reacted off 50 bullish order blocks demand. Okay, so we had the 1 minute liquidity sweep here, as you can see, swept that, which makes chalk here. And now, if you notice, there's a big imbalance gap here. Like I told you guys before, big imbalance gap, you enter the top of the order block. Would have had a 4 pip stop loss here, and I would have taken like a 1 to 5, maybe 1 to 6, because the stop loss is already very big, so that would have been tagged in because it's a big imbalance gap, like I said. So you don't put the entry here, you put it at the front. Okay, and because of big stop loss, I would have gone 1 to 5, but this went obviously all the way up. I would have taken 1 to 5 there. What is this shit, man? Every time this dating thing comes here. And Anthony, I have a request. Hold on. Start the challenge today and end it next week Friday. Can this be done? Just because you want to trade NFP, isn't it? Let's see. The thing is, let's be honest. Well, the chance of Jack being here and accepting, you know, now. So, yeah. So yeah, basically, but it's not gonna be fair on Jack because he hasn't even responded yet. So we need him to respond. So yeah. I don't want to look at this because I don't want to, you know, think, oh, I should have taken this trade, because, man, it just looks messed up. Doesn't look great, you know. Yeah. But I would have split my risk. One trade here, one trade here, one here, one here. What was I gonna say? I need to make breakfast. Today's dress down Tuesday, dress down Fridays, so you don't have to wear a suit. I'm gonna make some breakfast, guys. I'll be right back. To be honest, Jack said it would take 10 years to get funded, so if I get funded this month or next month, I still win. I don't know about that, bro. You only win if you win the thing. Mate, the battle of, what was it again? Combat. What was it again? Combat. Traders Combat Challenge, bro. I tell you what, if you can, look, everybody here will see that you won if you win, you know. And you know, people, you earn respect, bro. You be the top dog of the Discord. That's all I'm saying. You'll be top dog of the Discord. You're not just gonna be a Forex bulldog. You're gonna be top dog. So we don't care about challenge. We don't care, because then Jack can say, yeah, I already funded 300k or this or that. You know, who cares? It's like this. You know, let's say he is funded for that much, or he is, you know, whatever, really successful trader. Yeah. Well, Forex, here's your chance to prove that you're better, to prove to yourself that you're better, to prove to everyone else that you're better, to prove to yourself that if he's a successful trader, you just be a successful trader. So why can't you be a successful trader? You see? That's how you need to think. Because that's why there's no point. That's why I didn't say, you know, when you find time, watch Lorenzo Crowd on YouTube. Also, Antonny. Yeah, I saw, bro. I saw. I was watching his stream as well. He's really cool. He passed it well easy as well, didn't he? I'm gonna make my breakfast, guys. In the meantime, I don't know. Actually, I'll just put some lofi music. Man, I didn't know I was such a good fight promoter, but it is what it is. Man, I came up with a better idea. Not better idea, but an idea to add to the love coming in here to do opposite of your analysis. You motherfucker. Well, in any way, I'm happy to help. I'm happy to help in any way. In your trading, do you look at inducement apart from liquidity? Yeah, of course. No, bro, I use higher time frame. I use higher time frame. As you can see, look, these are my higher time frame order blocks. How are you not gonna let me trade an FP though? I'm still gonna trade it. Maybe personal channel. Let's see. Okay, bro. Hey bro, what's your PNL MFF challenge? Ooh, let's not talk about that yet, okay? Until we start getting some wins. Yeah, yesterday, I mean, I lost here. Wasn't the best of trades, to be honest, this one here. But it's valid. And I lost a couple here, so... But they all met criteria. It's just the fact that... yeah, this didn't work out. I would have taken this trade, this winning trade here. And yeah. But I've already lost 3, so I only take 3 losses and I'm out. Not only, but 3 losses is a lot. So I'm gonna add another rule to the thing, yeah? You have to show the metrics every day so that we check the next morning, yeah? Must send screenshots every day. Must send metrics screenshots every day. Every evening. Every evening. Okay, Forex Bulldog. Every evening must check for protection. I am protected. Guys, do you think today... No, we're not. We have half an hour left of stream. Oh, Lorenzo's gonna do an interview today. Today? Yeah, it is today. Interview with retired kickboxing champion Nico Veresin. Let's have a look at the Discord. I haven't had a look in a while. This is why I thought this group, only group that doesn't allow cap and actually has dudes back up what they're saying. Jerome's woken up. I'm just eating eggs and bread. I haven't been eating the tuna lately. I just don't feel that hungry. Dude comes up in here claiming to be Jeff Bezos. You're gonna have to back up with some proof. Yes. Now. Bro. TFT, bro. But that's what I do. Look, you can clearly see, look. Look. Sorry for this mess, but break of structure, right? Look, break of structure. Order block that started the move that broke, yeah? Now, granted, this order block you won't really understand why I chose this, but it met my criteria, okay? Because sometimes, you know, sometimes when we make a trend like this, this is the order block that started the move, right? Sometimes price pulls back. Doesn't always go like this, does it? It doesn't always go to perfection, right? Sometimes it's gonna go like this, and it's gonna create another move, and then that will create also another block valid for me because it's still with the trend, right? Sometimes the price does that. So I like to also select those ones, but only if they are in premium. Do you get what I mean? It is a little bit riskier, I understand that, but they also work. As you can see here, look, we have right, price reacted over demand zone here, and we carried on, right? Look, after the choke, you could, before I used to mark this as well, so you can see, look, price reacted off this and went, right? 50-minute choke. So you can see we had a 50-minute choke, which for me basically means, okay, we had a 50-minute choke, like just like the 1-minute choke. So then we expect price to come down, and you know, so we had a choke, price came down to this order block, reacted. I was looking, but the entry was at 5 AM, so I didn't take. And then again, I would have taken this one and it would have gone. What language is that, Sasta? You'll be trading again on Monday, you're not trading today, Jerome. Bro, I already taught you my setup for NFP. If it gives the setup, I shall take. It's after NFP. Guys, you know the one you saw on AU, yeah? That was before NFP happened, right? The one on EU, it tends to happen after. So it's after the news. So now the AU one, we can say it's kind of lucky because it was before the news, yeah. But I was in the trade, we were break even. But right after that, I said to you guys, look, it's made a choke here on EU. But the reason I didn't take the trade is because I wasn't that confident, you know, and I wasn't really that focused on the EU. Let's review why yesterday's. Okay, so high, low, right? We are on a downtrend. Okay, my chart is messy. I need to leave it there because I'm only reviewing the trades after the weekend. Right, like I said to you, this trade is valid. This trade is valid, but it wasn't the best of best looking setups on the 1 minute, I have to say. So basically, we've made a 50-minute choke, right? So now I can take bullish trades as well as shorts. I also take, you know, longs. Now I would have preferred to take a long trade after this choke, but the long trade was here, right? It mitigated it at 5:35. I only just woke up, you know, I was in the charts, so I would have taken this trade, made a 6-7 R here, right? But I would have also taken this one. So it's a bit messy because it's in the middle, right? So I can take buys and I can take sells. So this is usually when I take hedge trades. So just unfortunate, man, that, you know, the entry for the buys was before I was on the charts, whereas the entry for the sells was there when I was on the charts, and that was the loss, the losing trade. Now we mitigated this OB here, like you said, the one that breaks structure on the 15-minute, right? Mitigated it, swept liquidity in the 1 minute, boom, made a choke, entry, and entered here. Okay, no problem. Again, we swept these equal highs, made a choke, entered here. Again, met the criteria, met my criteria with inducement because it took a while, you know, met my criteria. Bro, a choke, you don't have to break a high or low. That's not what a choke is. That's not what a choke is, bro. A choke is not like a break. You're basically, Sasta, you're basically saying a choke is the same as a break of structure. Then, in that sense, that's not how it is. A choke is simply a change of character. You know, like, so as soon as you get something like this, that's a choke. That there's a choke. Like any little movement, like you see here, like it went here, it pulled back. This is a bullish candle. You know, this would be the choke here. But if you take it as a break of structure, then it's a break of structure. It's not a choke. You know what I mean? A choke is like the earliest. Let's focus on minute 15, origin of break of structure to the downtrend. So this one, you have a look, it's this candle here for me. This one. Now, if, let's look at that again, yeah? Now, if I was to take another trade, right? Price made equal highs once again for like the third time. Yeah. For my trades, that not every time there should be inducement. There's inducement here, look. There's inducement here, right? There's inducement here. Yeah. And don't come to me and say your trades should have inducement, because that's not part of my plan. I take most of my trades that win don't actually have inducement. So don't tell me that my trades have to have inducement, please, because I have a certain criteria when they need to have inducement, and that's when they go a bit too far, they need to have inducement. But just because they don't have inducement, it doesn't mean that they're not going to win. Because if you look at this trade here, like I was saying earlier, this trade here, there's no inducement. Yeah, you would have taken that, and you know, I would have taken that easily. Guys, it's just a problem. Yesterday was quite unfortunate because, like I said, the winning trade was at 5:30 a.m. yeah, and the other winning trade was once I had already taken. I had to take these trades, guys, you know, and it's just unlucky in terms of probability that that this fucking order block decided to give 1 opportunity, 2 opportunities, 3 opportunities, yeah, before it decided to come down. It's as simple as that, you know. Okay, the chalk, guys. Okay, the chalk, right? Okay, I'll explain this better for you guys. Right. I'm here talking so much. I need to eat. I don't need to get ready for work. I just need to. Right. Let me get a better example. Right here. Let me clear the chart actually. Okay. Wait, TFT, wait, I'll read that again because I didn't quite understand it. Let me just explain this to them. Let's assume that this mitigated a 50-minute OB, yeah? Let's assume. Right. Let's assume that. Okay, so this here is the low. Let's say this is the low. This here is the high. Right? So if price breaks above here, it's a choke, but it's not a very good one because it's just like one candle, so it doesn't look good. Now price broke this, yeah. Okay, for me, some people like to take the wick and they will make this the low, but not for me. I like to see body candle, body close. So looks like, man, it's not even a good example. Essentially, yeah, what I'm trying to say is just give me a second, guys, I'll give you a better example. Right, okay. Let's assume that there's a 50-minute order block here and we just mitigated it, yeah? Okay, we mitigated the 50-minute OB. This is the high. This is the support, not low, okay? In the lower time frame, whatever, yeah? By the low I mean like it's not necessarily the 1 minute low, but it's like a point of supply or demand. Like, how can I explain this? It's like the last point where price dipped. The last point where price dipped. So for example, you have a price went up here, yeah, it didn't go down at any point. So what that means is that there was no pullbacks in the lower time frame. Yeah, there was no pullbacks in the lower time frame. This little candle here shows me that there was a pullback in the lower time frame. Yeah, so price went here, pulled back here. Yeah, so this is a pullback. So essentially I want to get in the trade. Yeah, I want price to show me what chalk is. It's a change of character. I want price to show me the earliest point where it changed character. So you know, the earliest point, so I can get in as quick as early as possible when the move starts. So once it breaks this low, okay, now yeah, this here will be a choke for me, you know, because like this is a change of character. This is a little bit of a low. This is a low in the seconds or whatever time frame. Yeah, this is a low, and you know, it broke the low. Do you know what I mean? Now a break of structure is, for example, now I know that on EU a 1 minute break of structure is about 5 pips of a swing, so I would measure it 5 pips. Now none of this is the low of the 1 minute, so this would be the low of the 1 minute. So you'd have to go like this, like that's the low, that's the high, that's the low. So essentially the 1 minute low is actually here and the 1 minute high is actually here, because none of these are over 5 pips. They're just little swings, yeah, whatever they used to be. So the actual low of the 1 minute, guys, is actually here. So this here would actually be the break of structure of the 1 minute. Does that make sense? That's purely on EU, okay? 5 pips on purely on EU. Does that make sense, guys? Now, so this here will be the break of structure. Now this is probably also the break of structure of 5 minute. Yeah, only, of course, you only want to look for a chalk inside a 15-minute order block, guys. You don't take a chalk in the middle of nowhere. I'm just explaining to them what is the chalk. You don't just take a trade in the middle of nowhere. Does that make sense? As you can see, I would have chosen this candle 100% because it's got imbalance. I would have taken that here, you know, 1.5 pip stop loss, you know, and gone to the equal lows, blah blah blah, easy. But of course, this here wasn't a valid order block for me. Does that make sense? Am I making everything clear? With my mouth full of food. Sasta, does that make sense? Manoj, does that make sense? Does that make sense, guys? Bro, that's not right. I mean, if you do the wicks, yeah, but I wouldn't. My chalk would be here. My chalk would be this one here, because this was the low, this broke here, yeah. Look, this is how I see it. Look, man. Now you probably look at it at the wick, right? So your low would be here, and then the high would be here. That's fine, but to me that's a bit more riskier. Now for me personally, I like the body close. So this was the low, yeah. This candle closed here, so now this becomes the low, and then the high point would be around here, yeah. So this here would be my chalk, and this here would be my candle that I would also select. Bro, I don't know. I'm not here to give financial advice, Bulldog. It's up to you, bro. all I want to know is if Jack is gonna wake up today, because he's not even online, man. How is Jack claiming to be a successful trader, right, if he can't even wake up on time? How? If he can't even wake up on time, man. The coin will eventually flip and we will get a winning trade, I hope. This is starting to look man, the challenge is not going great. Man, I have 10 minutes left. I need to eat this food. Time is going by so quick today on stream. Guys, for you guys that don't know, there is a fight going on Discord. Not a fight, there's a battle of the Titans, you know? There's a Traders Combat Challenge. So you guys don't know, you better get to know. We got our man Jack and Losing Bulldog that's gonna fight it out from Monday, you know? Join the Discord because it's gonna be a good one. We just need to get Jack to wake up. Actually, I'm gonna message him. I'm gonna message Jack actually. Where is his name? How much degree that trend line should be to consider liquidity below or above? Oh fuck. Oh, that's a good question, bro. That's a good question. I fucking hell asked that. I've never heard of anyone ever ask that question, but that is a good one, bro. That's a very smart question as well. That's a good question, man. Seriously, because that is the intricate details. Right. You don't want it too steep. Right, this one's a bit too steep, to be honest with you. This is actually a bit too steep. It's a bit too steep. So you want like, you want a good angle, like a good angle. The flatter, the better. Well, not better, but you don't want it steep, like it can be a bit of a dilemma in it, but you get one that's like a bit steep. For example, this here, like this here, like no way, you know what I mean? Like look at this. You can try to zoom in and make it look good, but nah, no way, bro. This one was a bit too high, I'd say. Probably we want it. This one's a bit too high. We want it a bit lower, like there. That's my opinion anyway. I mean, I don't know, perhaps other people look at liquidity a different way. That's how I try to if a trend line's too steep, is most likely gonna be, I don't know. I don't know, like I don't like really steep ones, put it that way. What do you mean shouldn't be obvious levels? I mean, all of mine are quite obvious, man. All of mine are pretty obvious. Like, I mean, that's obvious trend. That's how I like to draw my trend lines, my liquidity lines. Like, I don't know, it just looks good. You know what I mean? It just looks good in terms of, doesn't look weird. Like, you know what I mean? It's EU. EU. That's right. Guys, Monday, there's an interview. I'm gonna do like a little interview. Well, I'm gonna get interviewed. Don't ask me why, I just got offered to be interviewed, you know. So I said, sure. You know. It's funny because they asked me, are you profitable? I'm like, yeah, but not 100%. Essentially, it's the truth. No, would you guys consider me as a profitable trader? Like, be honest, you know. It's okay if you're not, you know, but would you guys consider me a profitable trader? Yes or no? Yes or no? Because I don't even know. I mean, I can be. I would say I am a profitable trader, but I'm just not a profitable. I'm just not consistently profitable trader. Do you know what I mean? I'm not a consistently profitable trader, but I am a profitable trader. My God, you guys are all like, no, fucking hell, okay. Jesus, remind me not to. For sure, big. Wow, you guys just broke my heart. Fucking hell. Wow, I thought I'm like him. Jesus. Thanks, guys. There goes all my trading confidence, you know. So why do you guys want to learn from me? Why do you guys like ask me questions? Is this so you guys can like, I don't know, do the opposite? Break even progressive trade. Bro. Break even progressive trader, man. I'm not next time they ask me, man, next time they ask me, are you profitable? You are profitable, right? I'm like, yeah, I'm a break even progressive trader, I like to call myself, actually. Yeah, what's that? You know, progressive trader, man. Break even progressive trader. Yeah. Fuck it out, man. Man, the thing is, I've just been so inconsistent, man. Mentally, results wise, everything has just been so inconsistent. So I have a couple of, oh man, we don't have much time. I need to eat this food. Nice, Bulldog. That's the attitude. I believe in you, man. I believe you got this. You got this, man. Don't be afraid, you know. The guy who's gonna win this challenge is gonna be the guy with the biggest balls. I wouldn't take the trades you take. Well, thank God, I never recommend anybody to take the trades I take. Yeah. You guys, you know what? I'm not gonna ask you guys to be honest ever again. Seriously. Fucking hell. You guys are... Well, this is gonna be a fun interview, isn't it? It'll be 3:30 GMT time, Monday afternoon. I have a lot of courage. Thank you, Baguette Boy, for at least putting a plaster on that wound that you all opened up. Thank you. Well, you know, guys, that is what the channel is about, you know. Channel is the journey. And SMC, man, I can go back to flags. And, you know, I can, you know, do this. You know what I'm gonna do? I have two. I've been thinking, you know, messaging my old mentor and being like, bro, I need some private lessons. I need some private lessons, bro. I need you to help me do something. So I'm gonna wait for him to come back from his holiday. I'm gonna wait for him to come back on his holiday, and I'm actually gonna message him. What the hell? Who the fuck blocked me? Don't fucking know. Man, I'm trying to think. Someone fucking blocked me. But I can't remember who it was. Fucking hell, man. I'm so stupid. My memory is so bad. And I'm here trying to think, who the fuck is this? No, I'm not gonna be doing flags. My SMC mentor, I'm gonna be messaging him now. I'm gonna be like, wait, is that Jack, by the way? No, it's Lewis. Lewis, man, what happened yesterday, huh? Damn, bro, when I... Bro, I don't know if you saw, but we organized a nice little thing for them. Bulldog's already said yes, we just need Jack to wake up. No, we haven't taken any trades today. It's just, man, you know, I feel like this whole, you know, for the last, I don't know, how long has it been? 8 months, you know? Fuck, 8 months. Oh, fucking 8 months, man. This year has been a crazy year. Oh my god, now why are you all joining when I'm about to leave? Oh, Antonix, what's up, bro? Well, yeah, I went back to -2% after risking 0.2%, and then I decided to risk 0.5%, and yeah, I lost again. I lost everything. Yeah, so now we're doing a new one. It was tough, man. It was tough. Like, it was tough. I lost some belief in myself, in my strategy, you know. I don't know, man. I let the chat get to me. I made mistakes, and then mistake. Oh man, wasn't good. But it's okay. I have nobody to blame but myself, you know. After stream, what do? I go to work. I'm gonna go to work. It's just today, dressed down Friday, so I'm going in flip flops. Man, Lewis, I don't know if you noticed, but you know, have a look at the thing. Guys, for you guys that are joining, I recommend joining the Discord so you are up to date. Well done, David, man. Well done. Good job. I'm gonna brush my teeth. Alright guys, I gotta go. The account size, I'm not gonna disclose that yet because it's not looking good. Put it that way. And I don't wanna keep people keep asking, oh, what's the account size? What's the account size? What is going on here? I have to go to work, guys. It would have been a buy if it tapped into my order block, but it didn't, so no from me. Just trying to think what I'm gonna do. Yeah, let's just. I'm just gonna wait and see what price is gonna do. Nothing's looking clean to me right now. I'm just gonna have to wait, guys. Alright. See you. Bro, don't hide it again. It's not hidden, bro. It's there. Just don't wanna, for my own sake, I don't wanna keep saying, oh, you're down this much, you're down that much. Da, da, da. Do you know what I mean? Like when you keep saying, I don't wanna focus on the P&L. I wanna focus on my actual trading. You know? So it's not about that. It's not that I want to hide it. It's just for my own psychological well-being. No, it's just for my own psychological well-being, guys. I don't want to be like every day I'm on this percent. I don't want to know personally. I don't know what it is. I don't want to know. Do you know what I mean? So I'm being transparent with you guys. I don't want to know, but I will show you once I start feeling like, okay, nice. You know what I mean? If I fail, of course I'll tell you guys if anything like that happens. But for my own performance, you know, I don't want to know. You know, if I don't want to know, why would I tell you guys? Do you know what I'm saying? If I don't even know it myself, why would I tell you guys? Do you get what I mean? But like I said, it's not looking good. It's not looking good, but it's fine. It's fine. We'll bring it back. You know. Discord ad horror. Hey, bad. Right, guys, I gotta go to work, man. See you guys on Monday. And stop over trading. Okay. I take 3 trades a day, bro. 3 trades. It's just that every day we lost. Just that every day we lost. Right. I'll see you later. And I love you all, my babies. And can we all just like tag Jack to get him to wake up, yeah? Because this guy's still asleep. Alright, bye bye.